Good morning, students. Now we continue the second video. The given the direction ratio of if 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, comma a are the direction cosines of the sides of this. So find the value of a. So what's the direction cosines conditions? Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to 1. So you can substitute the value. What is the cos square alpha? It's 1 by 2 whole square. What is the cos square beta? 1 by root 2 whole square plus a square equal to 1. So after simplification, 1 by 2 square means 1 by 4. So 1 by 2 plus a square equal to 1. So take the LCM. So if we take the LCM is 4 means we get a 3 by 4 plus a square equal to 1. So a square equal to 1 minus 3 by 4. So a square equal to 4 minus 3 by 4 by 4. So a square equal to 1 by 4. So a is equal to root 1 by 4. So a is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. The next problem. The given a comma a plus b plus c is one set of the direction ratio of the line joining points 1 comma 0 comma 0 and 0 comma 0. If a line joining points means you can know x2 minus x1 x2 y2 z2 minus x1 y1 z1. So after subtraction we get a 1 comma minus 1 comma 0. If we are equating corresponding coordinates a equal to 1, a plus b is equal to minus 1, a plus b plus c equal to 0. So a equal to 1 means a plus b equal to minus 1 means 1, a equal to 1 only. So 1 plus b equal to minus 1. A plus b equal to minus 1. So minus 1 plus c equal to 0. So next b equal to minus 2, c equal to 1. Okay. Now you get the value of the final answer. A equal to minus 1, b equal to 2, c equal to minus 1. Show that the vectors 2i vector minus j plus k, 3i vector minus 4j minus 4k, I vector minus 3 form a right angle triangle. Okay, we can consider this a vector, this is a b vector, this is c vector. What's the triangle law? If a plus b, a plus c, if a sum of any two sides is equal to other sides. Okay, if a vector plus c vector equal to, we get the b vector. Otherwise you can find out the modulus. First modulus of a vector. So modulus of a vector means root 6. If you square of this, modulus of a vector whole square equal to 6. That's the sine square. Next b. Modulus of b is equal to root 41. So modulus of b square equal to 41. Next modulus of c. Root 35. So modulus of c square equal to 35. Now use the Pythagoras theorem. Sum of the square of any two sides equal to square of hypotenuse. So that is c square plus a square equal to 41. That is equal to b square. So the vectors form a right angle triangle. Next, find the value of lambda for which the vectors a and b are parallel. What is the condition for parallel? Then one vector is equal to constant times of scalar times of another vector. So that is a given vector is a and b. Given a and b are parallel. So we can take m is a scalar. So a vector is equal to m times of b vector. Now we can multiply by m. We get m into I vector, m into lambda j vector plus 3m k vector. See here lambda is there. If you multiply by m means m into lambda, equating coefficient of the I, j and k. So m equal to 3. Next m lambda is equal to 2. So m equal to 3 already you know. So lambda is equal to 2 by 3. See. Parallel and multiply. In the previous problem, they are asking form a right angle triangle. Consider A, B and C, sum of the two sides. What is the reason? A plus B plus C equal to 0 vectors. Find the modulus of A, modulus of B, modulus of C. After squaring we get modulus of A square is 6, modulus of B square is 41, modulus of C square is 35. So sum of the any two sides. Here C square plus A square equal to B square. See, already you know very well, modulus of A square means that is A square only. Okay. Now the next problem, show that the following vectors are coplanar. The first problem, they given three vectors I minus 2j plus 3k minus 2i plus 3j minus 4k minus j plus 2k. See, what is the meaning of coplanar? Coplanar means it's lie on the same plane. What is the meaning of collinear? It lie on a same line. Coplanar means it's lie on a same plane. So the condition for the three vectors are coplanar. A vector is equal to m times of b vector plus n times of C vector, where m and n are scalar. So we can consider the first vector is A, I vector minus 2j vector plus 3k vector. What's the B vector? The second vector, minus 2i vector plus 3j vector minus 4k vector. What is the third vector? C vector is equal to this. If we equating this, so this. Now the equating the coefficient of ij and k. Equating ij, k. What is the equating of I means? We get 1 equal to minus 2m. Next, minus 2 equal to 3m minus n. Third one, minus 4m plus 2n equal to 3. Now using 1 and 2, we can find the value of m and n. That's a minus 2m is equal to 1 means m is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now the second one, minus 2 is equal to 3m minus n. Substituting m is equal to minus 1 by 2 in equation 2. So 3 into minus 1 by 2 minus n. So minus 3 by 2 minus n is equal to minus 2. So minus n is equal to, take the LCM, minus 4 plus 3 by 2. So minus n equal to minus 1 by 2. So n equal to 1 by 2. Now we can find, we get the value of m and n. So the substituting in equation 3, m is equal to minus 1 by 2, n is equal to 1 by 2 in 3. If it is satisfy means LHS or RHS equal means it is satisfied. If it is satisfied means it's a form a coplanar. So we can substituting LHS minus 4 into minus 1 by 2 plus 2. 4 into 2 cancel, so we get answers 2 plus 1, 3. So we get a RHS. Therefore ABC are coplanar. So the next problem also, show that the following vectors are coplanar. The second problem, the given three vectors, we can consider A equal to B equal to, the first vector is A, the second vector is B, the third vector is C. What's the condition for coplanar? A equal to m times of B plus n times of C, where m and n are scalar. Substituting A vector, m into B vector plus n into C vector. See the first line, A vector equal to m into B vector plus n into C vector. You can substituting each one value. If you are equating corresponding means, what is the coefficient of I? It's a 5 in A. Here 7, m is there, so 7m. Here 3, n is there, so 3n. So equating this, 5 equal to 7m plus 3n. That is the coefficient of I. What's the coefficient of J? Here 6 here, minus 8. So minus 8m plus 20m. If we divide by 2 means we get this. The third one, K. What is the coefficient of K? LHS 7. What is the coefficient of RHS? K, the coefficient of K, 9m plus 5m. So solving 1 and 2. How to solve you know very well. Into equation means we can get the same coefficient. How to get the same coefficient? In equation multiply by 4, in equation 2 multiply by 7. So after simplification we get this. So what is the n value? 1 by 2. M's cancel only, no. Now we can substituting n equal to 1 by 2 in equation 1. So after simplification we get m is equal to 1 by 2. Now we get the m and the n value. What's the next step? We can substituting third equation. It is satisfied means it's a coplanar. That is satisfied means it's LHS equal to RHS. What is the third one? LHS 9 into m plus 5 into n. So 7. But RHS only 7 only, no. First of all, you can solve first two equation and get the value of m and n. That value you can substitute the third equation. If it is satisfied means it is a coplanar. It is a